Okay, hello everyone. Today I would like to do some presentation in here, but before we going to start it, let me introduce myself. My name is Helen Kishan of Tishaan, or you can call me Iza, and I'm from class A with an M 2023-32-035. And here I already open up my index of my file. How to open it? You can, sorry, but I want to make it minimize so you guys can see me. Yep, maybe. Okay. If you want to go into here, you need to open SAMPP and start the Apache, and you can go into admin. After that, you can type down in here localhost slash your name of file. My file is web underscore Eza, and when you open it up, you can see my your work in here. I will open up the website first, and then talking about the code. I don't know. We will talking about the code first. After that, we can going to see the website. Okay. In here, let's open up the Visual Studio Code. Sorry. First, the first one is the index. In here, I'm using index.php. As you can see, we can go into the body. In here, I'm using for nama, class is from label for the nama, and then when you the input are type text class from control, the name is nama and the ID is nama, and at the email. We going to the input one. In here, I'm using type text because I want to see the error page. If you type down email in here, it will be always say that you need to put the at the email column, so you can see the error page. That's why I'm using type text in here. After that, we can see the process in here is using yphp. Let us set the empty name. The location is error. I'm put the plus filter in here. It will be said that if you doesn't input the at the email column, it will be said that you're going to the error php, which is the error page, and we can see the error page in here. The error page will be said that the data tidak lengkap or your data isn't complete. So you need to input your name and your email before you login, and it will be put a button. It said that you need to go back to the login page, and then after error we can sing the tampil. Tampil is for the show up. The show up like this. After you can login, when you are done the login, it will be print up the name, the email, the time, the day, and the date. If you want to know where I put all of this stuff is in here, the progress. The progress already set the name, it was post name and post email, then the time, the day, and the date. After that, we can talk about the header. I put the header in here because I want to make it look up the header, the color of the website. That's why I put the header in here. Yeah. After that, we can going to the website again. And here you can open up the practice 3. It will be set the form. I will put Ejaja. Yeah, and then we're going to doing some error checking. So I don't doesn't use the app. And here I just using ejajaja.com. And yeah, it will be said that you need to go back to the login page because your data isn't complete. And we will be going to the login. Then we type the correct one. Asia, Asia at gmail.com. And yeah, the login are the success. It said your name, your email, your time, your day, and your date. But I still confused why in here print out the different time like this day, but I just ignore it. I'm so sorry the if that the need to be typed down like something to make it similar like my time. Maybe I need to do some configuration. Maybe just that I can explain to you guys. I'm so sorry because I doesn't really good in English and I just explained a little bit about my website, but there's all of the website, the form, and anything else. Sorry if I said something bad or something wrong. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.